This is the easiest way to make a magic ring, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you grab your yarn tail and then hold it like that. And then grab this part, create a loop like that. So just twist it, and then you're going to hold it with your thumb like that. So you have a loop here. Then insert your hook from the front through this loop, and then grab this yarn like that through the loop. Okay, one last step. Yarn over here, and then chain one. You can do it slowly so nothing comes undone. And that's it. That's your magic ring. And then from here, you can work your stitches in it. So now that I have some stitches in the ring, I can pull this tail. Just pull it like that, and this ring will close, just like that. And then from there, you can just start working whatever project you're working with. So that's it. That's how you make the easiest magic ring. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out with the channel.